What's he trying to?
Carol, what are you doing? Carol, look at Mommy. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm fixing candles.
Those are your candles?
Yes,
Whose birthday is it?
candles.
Oh, it's the candle's birthday?
Yes.
You're such a nice girl.
Can you sing happy birthday?
No.
Can you try?
Oh. Can't try that.
Can't try that.
Okay.
Sing happy birthday.
Wait, Mama.
I'm not Mammal.
Wait. Mommy.
You ready to sing happy birthday?
Wait.
How about now?
Just gotta get all of our candles in there.
Alright, sing happy birthday now.
Wait.
How about now?
How about now?
How about now?
You're still mad because of the camel?
No.
Where'd you go last night?
Camel.
Where was the camels?
Oh, wait, there's sticky camels.
You went to the circus and seen the camels?
Yeah, I'm sticky the camels.
What else did you see?
Pony.
What else?
Big goat.
A billy goat? What else did you see?
Big goat.
A big billy goat? What else did you see?
What'd you ride?
Elephant.
Yeah?
Did you see the doggies? What was the doggy in? Do you remember? Was there a doggy in a barrel?
No.
Are you sure?
Doggy in the barrel.
Yeah?
His booty.
He's funny.
His person.
You're funny. Can you sing me a song?
Hey, Mom.
Oh, okay, I'll wait. Who'd you go to the circus with?
Jump.
Who?
Jump.
You jumped?
No. Circus.
You went to the circus? Who took you to the circus?
Mama took my circus.
Yeah?
I go at a party.
You went potty at the circus?
I'll go. No.
No, don't touch that. No, don't touch that. That's a yucky bug. What's this you got going on right here, Kara? What are you doing?
I'll fix it.
Huh?
I'll fix it.
What are you fixing?
Candles.
Your candles? They're her candles. Are you gonna sing happy birthday when you get all your candles in?
Oh, yeah, that's another thing I had a dream about last night. We was all sitting out here. I seen a spider run across the thing, but it was so freaking big, and I was like, kept calling it a bird spider, a bird hunting spider. You guys are like, what the fuck are you talking about, Sean? Like, you just see a big ass spider there? And next thing I know, that one we saw out there like that one day comes
It's
across
not
there.
like that.
Can you sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Like that. Like that. The bug.
Mm-hmm. Sing happy birthday now.
Wait. This first time kill it then. I'll finish that one.
Okay, sing happy birthday.
Take it off.
You're not gonna sing happy birthday? Huh?
No.
Why?
Done.
You didn't sing happy birthday. How are you done?
Happy birthday.
Alright, love you. Love you.
I'm not leaving.
I'm gonna turn the camera off, okay?
Okay, my camera.
I'm gonna turn it off. Say peace out, dude. What?
I put my candles on.
Okay, bye.
That's a bye.
Okay, peace out.
No.
Alright, well the camera's getting shut off now, okay?